Look at a double queen park view at Disney's Grand Californian Resort at Disneyland. So walking in, we have the two queen beds here. This is actually a day bed that you can pull out if you need an extra bed. We've got a little office area, desk area here. This is the little mini fridge. Take a quick look. So plenty of room for some bottled water or milk or drinks. And you've got your closet space in here. And then we'll circle back and take a look at the bathroom here. So very nice shower, toilet, double sinks for getting ready. And then this is a park view room. So you have a little balcony, table and two chairs. And you're overlooking California Adventure. Pretty awesome. I love that you can hear people screaming on the rides. That is the best. That means you're